So September's focus is on our before bed routine, so I thought I would just take you through mine so you can see how it looks and what I do. So I'm cooking dinner at the moment, and I generally start my before bed routine as I start getting ready to either cook or serve our evening meal, depending on whether it's been a slow cooker meal or not. Tonight it's something that I'm cooking on the stove top, so I'm kind of starting my before bed routine right now. What I do is I've got some downtime. Everything's kind of bubbling away over there and doing its thing. So at this point I kind of look around the kitchen, see if anything needs to go in the dishwasher, any tins that I've opened or anything like that need to go into the recycling, and I'll do that and then just check that dinner's okay before I move on to looking at my hotspots and what I can do to fix those quickly. So as you can see, dinner is on, and I'm just monitoring it and make sure it's still going fine. I used some tinned tomatoes, so they go into my recycling bin ready for next week when the recycling van comes. The kitchen, I have rice on, and that's kind of it while I'm cooking. If I've used any dishes or bowls, they go straight into the dishwasher, or I rinse them out depending on what I'm doing. So now I'm going to move into the living room, because I know I can leave that unattended for a few minutes. So just turn it down slightly, just to check any hot spots in there and see what's going on. So one of my biggest hot spots is my dining room table. I've been studying on it today, so I have a couple of books and my glasses are on there. So I will just take care of those. It's real simple. The book goes back where it lives, and my glasses go away. That goes out to go washing up, and then I have a parcel from my daughter as well. I just straighten up the table, and as you can see how much better that looks already. So for the rest of the room, I just have some paperwork over here that just needs to go away, and my glasses will go upstairs into my living room, my bedroom, sorry. Apart from the dogs, who kind of go to bed when we do, this room is pretty much ready to go. I just have a Mickey Mouse bottle opener and a dog who wants to say hello, and this room is pretty much ready for us to relax this evening in peace. So I'm back in the kitchen. I've just checked dinner and given it a quick stir. The living room is feeling peaceful, and I just take this opportunity to go through my calendar and think about what's going on tomorrow. So I know that I'm going to the gym, so when I lay my clothes out later, when I have my bath, I know that I need to lay some gym clothes out as well. I'm planning to go swimming, so I'll pack a bag for that as well. I also have to go to the supermarket, and I have a couple of other little errands to run, so I'll make sure that I have my shopping list is complete and that I know what's on it, give it a final check, think about if I need anything else for the errands that I've got to run, and pop those on my launch pad ready to go so that I don't forget them. Once dinner's served and everybody's eaten, then I'll take you on to the next part of my routine where I load that dishwasher and get that running. So dinner is done, and I'm going to clear the table. It's relatively simple clear tonight because we just had 3 bowls. My husband's going to be late home from work when we talk. I've got something there for recycling, which just goes right there, and the other one isn't finished. So these will just go directly into my dishwasher, which is down here. That's anybody who watched my morning routine. No, saw me unloading it. So those dishes just really quickly go in there. There's a fork there from the dog food. So then what I do at this point is this is my little detergent capsule, and I put that in the dishwasher, but I don't run it because anybody might have a glass or something like that in the evening that needs to be dealt with. Then I've just got some dishes left over, so I have a pan and a couple of other dishes that are maybe too big for the dishwasher, or that actually take up too much room in the dishwasher. So I will just rinse those by hand right now, and that only takes me just a couple of minutes, just as part of my routine to get that done. So my water is running full, and I just fill my sink very quickly. And I will use this to shine my sink at the same time. It takes me a very couple of minutes to rinse out this. Doesn't clog the dishwasher up. So it's nice, easy clean. Very exciting watching someone else clean their dishes, especially when you can't really even see them doing it, I guess. So then that one just gets dried out. So, and there it is, all clean in just a couple of seconds, ready to go straight back away. There we go, like that. And all that noise was me knocking something else out of the cupboard as I did it. And I've just got a couple of other bits. I've got a collar here that I do the same thing with, for the same reason. It's just had some rice in it. So it just takes just a couple of minutes just to rinse that through. Some hot water. And I tend not to just leave them to dry on the side, because they just take a minute to wipe out, and then they can just go straight away. So that's done. Then I grab the cloth, which I put over there, and I just quickly, just while I'm talking, look, a second, normally I would maybe listen to some music or something like that, but that was just a second, and that's back on the stove top, ready for tomorrow. And again, this one just goes in its cupboard, and then it's at this point I will wipe my sink out. Wipe my sides down and shine my sink. Okay, and again, it's very quick because I tend to wipe down as I'm going when I'm cooking, because I find, as with a lot of things, to do it now really makes a big difference. So I just made a bit of a mess over here when I was serving up dinner. I managed to get rice everywhere. So, and again, normally I would have stopped and fixed that, but I wanted to give you something to see me doing. Okay, so that's good. So we have these little things in our sink that just, instead of a plug, I have those. And I put those in the dishwasher every day, every 2 or 3 days, because they get just a bit kind of stained. And at this point, I throw my sink out. Now, when we're in the kitchen zone, I get the bleach out and I fill it up and I give it a really kind of thorough shine. And then in between, because if you do it every night, I can get away with just wiping it down nicely, shining it out like this, so that it looks beautiful and clean when I'm done. So at this point, I take my cloth, which I've been using for drying up, just wipe the sink out so that it's dry and finished, looking beautiful. That cloth goes to be washed, and that's my sink done. My dishcloth, I use disposable ones, that goes in the bin, and my kitchen is ready and set for tomorrow. My bath is running and I'm ready to spend some time pampering myself. While that's running, I have been getting my clothes ready for tomorrow. So I have my outfit that I will wear after I've been to the gym, and my gym clothes right here. I'm planning to go swimming as well, so I have my swimming stuff in here, and I will pack these clothes right in there as soon as I'm done talking about my bedtime routine. So once I've had my bath, I will relax, maybe watch some TV, read a book, start to wind down for the evening, and then as I head to bed I will hit go on the dishwasher after I've just taken anything out of the living room that may have been taken in there that needs to be added to the dishwasher. And that's it. I'll head to bed around 10 p.m. I'll sleep by 10:30 and up in the morning ready to hit the day.